I just came from Korea, Japan, and China, and Philippines. This woman cried to my office. I said, what's your trouble? She said, look at this. My husband has gone to court to file divorce. I said, what did you do? She said, nothing. I said, what did you do? She said, nothing. I said, do you want your husband back? She said, he's the father of my 4 children. He's the husband of my youth. We've been married for 23 years. I don't want him to go. Call him back. I said, what's his name? He said, John. I said, John, come back and pick your paper and take it away. She said, what do I do? I said, nothing. Wait for John, he's coming. She said, what did you say? I said, John is coming back. She said, he's left town. I said, the transport that took him will bring him back. 24 hours later, John didn't come with car. John flew. John said, I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. She said, you are the problem. The woman said, you are the problem. She said, you are the problem. You know, when husband and wife is fighting, one of the two is always the problem. The man said, you are my problem. The woman said, you are. After 5 minutes of argument, she said, let's go and see our Archbishop. John brought his wife in tears. He said, Papa, I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I don't know what's wrong. Everything about me saying, go back, go back, go back. So I flew here. I want you to beg my wife to marry me again. I come to collect the papers that I filed. The wife began to cry. He began to cry. I knew it was not God that took the man from her. Did you hear what I'm saying? There are many things that are slipping out of your hand. You think it's God taking it. It's the devil. But Jesus says it's coming back. 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 Power is coming back. Life is coming back. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah. I said, John, you are in my office. What happened that you filed divorce? He said, I don't know at all. I just woke up. I thought I didn't need my home anymore. I thought I don't need anymore. I have no strength to continue. What went wrong? He said, I lost strength to continue. I lost strength to continue. Maybe there's someone here this morning who has almost lost strength to continue. There's a vision God put in your head. God said, go ahead. And the devil said, stop. The Lord sent me to tell you that vision is coming back again. I said, John, what did your wife do? He said, she did nothing. I said, did you think of your children? That you are the only father they have? He said, I lost my memory. I couldn't think of my wife. I couldn't think of the children. Help me. Help me. You know, the greatest thing I have found in life, in 32 years of close walk with God, no one that says, God help me, has God ever denied help. Say with me, God, help me. God, help me. When it's rough, God, help me. When it's tough, God, help me. When I don't know what to do, God, help me. When I'm in trouble, God, help me. When I'm weak, God, help me. When I'm down, God, help me. When I'm in confusion, God, help me. Hallelujah. And the wife looked to him and said, John, it was yesterday morning I ran to Papa to tell him what you have done. And I told him, I want you back. John said, what time? The woman said, 11 o'clock. John said, at 11:15, I was in a meeting when I took excuse to go to the bathroom. The loudspeaker in my ears, John, John, go home, John, go home. I said, you know who was calling you? He said, no. I said, me. I was calling you. He said, the voice sounded like your voice. And I said, yes, I did. Spiritual life is not mystic. I want to explain that. When you decide to walk with God, you step to mystery. God can intervene anytime. God can come down even when you are not ready. He said, I took excuse from the meeting. I told them, I'm going back home. The people said, we have not finished. He said, the call I received from the bathroom is more than this meeting. Who was calling him? God. Say God. Say God. I don't know what state of mind you have this morning. I don't know what state of mind you have this morning. I don't know what is trying to slip out of your hand. But the message I'm given by God is very simple. Martha said, but now I know. And from the minute you know that God is interested in your marriage, the minute you know God is interested in your business, the minute you know God is interested in your health, the minute you know that God is interested in what you are doing for him, the job will take new turn. The business will have new course. Your life will have new direction. I don't know how many Johns we have here this morning who want to go to court to file divorce. God sent me to tell you, don't do it. You say, what do you mean? I've gone far. Come back. Come back, John. Come back, John. Come back, John. God is saying, come back. You say, why? And I say, why not? You say, my wife is a devil. That's why the Bible says we shall cast out devil. How can you reach your wall if you can't reach your home? Maybe that's a mistake in language. But I'm not sure you can win the whole world if you can't win your house. Why would God send me to say what I'm saying now? It's because God knows you need help. What is dying out of your hand? Jesus asked me to tell you, it shall live again.